Hello everyone, I'm Laura Gardner. My current field placement is at a domestic violence and sexual assault shelter. I work with the clients that are staying within the shelter. I also get to go to return days for court, help with PFAs, PFA hearings. I've learned a lot so far and never worked with this population in the past, so I look forward to what else I will learn this semester in field. My current job is a multi-systemic therapist for the county that I live in. I work with 5 to 6 families at a time, usually kids with truancy issues, behavior problems, probation issues. This class will definitely help with that job title because I work with a lot of kids that have had neglect, had trauma in the past, and I'm really working hard to teach the families what trauma actually does to the brain, and it's kind of hard sometimes to get people to understand that that really is the cause for how the child is behaving. I hope to get out of this course more information regarding trauma and how it does affect the parts of the brain. I would like to also learn ways to work with these families, especially I had a couple of children with reactive attachment disorder, and I would like to see how trauma plays into that and how to work with those kids and those families on educating them about these topics. I definitely think studying trauma is going to be helpful for my future career. I want to stay within a therapy role. I would like to either stay with the job that I have for a while or end up in a veterans hospital working with veterans from combat. I think that continuing to learn the effects of trauma and how so many different things can be traumatic for different people, I think definitely this course is going to help a lot with that. 3 ways that I'll take care of myself this semester. I do a lot of things outside with my family. I have 2 small children, so they definitely keep me busy. I also like to exercise. I have changed my diet recently because of food allergies, so I will continue with that as well. I also try to get massages from time to time, and I also enjoy meditating. So I hope everyone enjoys this class. Good luck.